everybody? I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Fitbit Charge 4. In this video, I will specifically be showing you and telling you how to go back to the home screen on your Fitbit Charge 4. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So, first and foremost, what is considered to be the home screen on your Fitbit Charge 4? This right here is considered to be your home screen over here. So, where you see this little clock face, whatever clock face you have chosen, because you can change it, obviously I've done that in a separate tutorial, keep your eyes peeled for that one if you haven't already seen it yet. But this is considered to be your home screen. And like I said, you can change this up. I recommend going and checking out my other tutorial on how to change the clock face on a Fitbit Charge 4 because you can choose from many different ones. So this is the home screen. So the first way to go back to the home screen is just swipe the opposite way that you swiped from the home screen. So check this out. If I swipe left from the home screen to get to my apps, I can swipe right. Oops, sorry. I opened that up. I can swipe right to get back home. So if I swipe left from the home screen, I can swipe right to get back home. If I swiped down from the home screen, I can swipe up to get back home. Once again, if I swiped down, which is for my notifications, nothing new here, you're all caught up, 0 new notifications, I can then swipe up, okay? If I swiped up from the home screen, I can swipe down. So that's the first way, and probably the easiest way, because you're already in the swiping mode, right? But the second way to do it is to push the button on the side of the device. Now, the button on the side of the device will actually bring you back to a previous screen and then the home screen. So if I'm not in an app, I can push that button, it'll bring me back to the home screen. So if I'm here, push the button and it brings me back to the home screen. If I'm here, push the button and it brings me back to the home screen. But if I'm in an app, so let's say I'm in the Relax app and I started, I can push this button to bring me back a screen again, and then when I'm not in an app anymore, I push the side button and it brings me back to the home screen. So that's it. Those are the two ways to go back to the home screen. You can swipe the opposite of how you swiped from the home screen in order to get back to it, or you can push the button on the side when you're not in an app to go back to the home screen. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.